Hi everyone, welcome to Simple Analytics. And today's video is about to understand the one feature that is called your sales analytics, right? So what does it mean? Just try to explain you first in Excel. Then you will import this data into the Power BI, and we will try to achieve that. So just see that there I have three table basically. If I go to the product table, right, I have product ID, product name, and their price. If I go to the sales table, I have each product, I have their order ID, their order date, and their sales. Okay. And when I go to the sales unit table, right? So this is where we are capturing each product yearly wise, how much units they sold. Okay. So it is yearly units. So if I talked about the selling board, it is selling 24 units for 2021. So this product 35 units, which is absolutely fine. Now my output or the what I expected here is that suppose if somebody comes up and saying that how much monthly this product contributed or how much sales is happening month wise for this product. I don't have any such information because I am capturing at a year level here. Okay. So somehow I need to segregate this information to a month level. So this is called your the analysis, sales analysis, I can say. Okay, how you can do it here? The logic is very simple here. What we will do, we'll take this product. Let's take this product. Take this product, selling board, and go to the sales table and put a filter on selling board here. Okay, so selling board. Now, how many years I'm getting? I'm getting 2022 and 2021 as well. Now, go to the sales unit table. I'm just concentrating about the 2021, right? So I will take a filter on 2021 now. So how many transactions happened? Only one transaction. Okay. So based on the number of transaction is happening on the sales, I will divide this unit by the number of transaction is happening on the sales table. So it will give me the sales per units. It will give me that dividation on that part. Okay. Then finally, that is my sales per units. Then that I will multiply with the price of the product. Then I will get my what? The sales which I'm expecting at a month level or at any level, quarter level, month level, whatever the detail I have. Okay. So this logic we will implement in Power BI. Okay. Let's see that. So let me just clear up all the filters first. Okay. Clear from here. Clear from here. Okay. So I'm just closing this file. It is not required now. Okay, I have already loaded this file, and after these three tables, I have created one calendar table, which is very simple table only. Just a calendar auto. Okay, if I go to the calendar auto here, just a date column here, and if I go to the join conditions here, this is the join condition right now. It is happening. So sales is connecting to the product through my product name, and whereas the calendar also it is joining with the sales and order name. Now the question is very interesting here. This is will be a good learning here. Okay. Now I have the sales unit. Okay, let me just zoom in a little bit. I have the sales unit this table, right? Let me bring down somewhere. Let me zoom. Yeah. So I have my sales unit table here. Now, since the sales unit have a product name, so it will prompt you to connect this table to the product table itself. Okay, let's try to do that. So product name to the product name. Let's try to do a relationship here. Okay, sorry, it is not working my mouse. Okay, let's product name to product name. If you do it now, this double click on this, what kind of join it is? It is coming as a many to one relationship. Okay, which is fine, but this way I will not able to solve the problem which I am planning to do it, because my plan is to do is that, let me delete that. My plan is to, I want to segregate the sales per units and which is there on the sales table. So somehow I need to connect the sales to the sales unit to the sales table, so that I can get the number of units per sales, because the total transactions which I have, right, the each level of transaction I have in the sales table. If I not able to get the number of transaction, then how I can divide it by the units which I have in the sales unit to get the sales per units, then finally I'll get the total sales, right, which I explained in the Excel. So, but here the problem is sales unit and the sales, right? I have a product name, I have a product name. But if you do it immediately, the joins, right, or the relationship, if you do it, it will prompt you a warning called many to many relationship. Okay, so this is the one of the scenario which I'm discussing, how we can handle the many to many as well. Okay, so let's do that. I don't want many to many, because many to many have a so much problematic way. So I will make another video what the problem on the many to many, but right now we need to solve this problem. So what I will do is that I will go to the sales unit table here in this case, and I will create a combination of year and product name. The combination that will be the unique. Okay, so I will create a new column here, and this is one of the way to handle the to avoid the many to many also. So I will create a joint column which will take the year, sales unit year. Okay, then concatenate with just a separator. We can put anything, comma, separator, pipe separator, whatever maybe. Then finally I will say my product name. This is my table. This is my joint condition between these two tables. Same, I will go to my sales table here, and since I don't have any year column, but I have the order date, right? So I'll extract the year, then I'll combine with the product name to make the same the column which I created in the sales table. Okay, so I'll go to the sales unit new column here. I'll put join again here. Okay, I'll say year of order date. Okay, because I need to extract the order, because the column itself will like this only. Then continue with the hyphen. Then again I will take product. Okay, so this is the way. Now if you make a relationship between these two, to join, right? Let's try to do that. Now take the join column and put it in the join. Whatever. One second. Again I'm putting. Okay, it is not taking. We will do in this way. So that mouse is not working. Okay, let's select the sales and select the sales unit, join and join. Now it is one to many. Happily it is one to many, one to one only, right? This is good. So now we'll make the relationship. The relationship is defined, which is one to many. So in this way, one of the way we can avoid your many to many relationship. Okay, good. Now what we will do, we will go to the my sales unit table, and I want to get the number of transaction from the sales table. Okay, how much transactions I have for each. Let's take 24. For this, the units is 24. How many time it got transacted inside my sales table? For that, I need to use it. So let's create a new column here. Okay, I'll give the name is called sales per units. Okay. So how to get the information from the sales? So I will use a DAX function which is called my related table. Okay, related table, I will get my sales information here. But if you enter it, it will throw an error. What exactly it is happening? Just let me tell you what exactly the related table is working. So it is taking the first product, let's take selling board. Okay, and it is going to the sales table and putting a filter on selling board. Okay, putting a filter on the selling board. How many rows I am getting? 3 rows. So it is taking these 3 rows of a table and it is try to put it in a single cell. These 3 rows of a table. So it is impossible, right? The related table is that one only. So related table, how it will work? The related table, it will go to the sales table and it will filter the whatever the row context you have. For that, it will give you the table. So right now there is a 3 tables. but we can't fit that three rows of a table into a single cells in a Power BI, right? So for that, I will do on top of that, I will just count it, how many rows I have. So I say count rows of this table. Then I will get exact information what we have here, okay, for the 2021. Okay, let's see how it is one or not. Let's say for this selling board for the 2021. Okay, let's go to the sales table, put a filter on sales 2021, then order date, it will be always in the 2021, right? So it is only one record. So like that, for each and every record, it will go, it will fetch the product name for the year and it will give the count. Okay, I think this makes sense. Okay. Okay, so the first part is completed. So now let me remove clear all filters here. Okay, I will go to the sales unit table here. We are got it. Now I am clicking on the sales per units and I need to divide the units divided by the sales per units, right? So that I need to divide. So I'll say divide sales units divided by this count average, whatever things are there I have. So this will give me the exact the figure which I have here. Okay. Uh, yes, that's correct. Uh, yeah, that's correct. That is the thing I have right now. This is the number of units I have sold for each transaction as per the each transaction. Okay. Now I will go to my any kind of measure tables here. Suppose I will create a measure table now. Okay. I don't have a measure table here. So I say all measures, anything, just like that. Load. Okay. Now first measure which I will calculate, which is nothing but my total sales. So total sales. Okay. Total sales formula will be sum x. It will go to the each row of the sales table and it will take the related, because I have the price and the units is available one table in product and one available in my sales table. So based on that I will take it. Okay. So I will take first uh, let me cross check. Okay, just give me a second. So the column would be, sorry, let me just cross check everything. So the column would be, it will be the units. Okay, this units into sales units into the product price. Yes, so that is the formula. Yeah, so the sum x would be, first it will be related sales units. Okay, this is the column, into related price from the product price. So this is my the total sales. Okay, and my total unit sales which I am planning to do part of this exercise, right? So let me clear that. So the total unit sales now. So say total unit sales. So it will be again the sum x of, we will go to the sales table. Okay, but this time I will take sales unit. One second. So sales. One second, guys. The column name. What is the column name? I'm just confused now. Be there. This is sales per units. Okay, so that I need sales per units. Okay, I think this is the problem. Okay, I think I should get it now. Sales, comma. Okay, sales per unit. Okay, sorry, I need to give the related. Sorry for that. Okay, related, it will be sales per unit. This time I will take the sales per units which I calculated into my related table. Okay, related table price. product price. So this is my total unit sales. Okay. Now let's try to put a what do you call a matrix or a table here. Okay. So let's try to put that value on a year level or month level. So I have the calendar here. So I'll take that and I'll just remove the quarter I'll remove and I'll put my month in between. Okay. I'll put my year and month, then I will put my total sales. Okay. Then I'll put my total unit sales. Okay. Let me just put it this values little bit bigger. Okay. So now and headers little bit bigger. So this is the way we are getting it. Got it? So this is the total sales. Okay. And this is total unit sales for each month. We can do any number of stuffs, we can do that. Let me repeat how I did it. I am going to the sales unit table, then I am counting the sales per unit. How you are counting? We are taking the number of transaction from the sales, how much transaction is happening, then I am dividing this with the number of units sold on that year, and that is the sales per unit. Okay. Then finally that I am taking into the price from the product and I'm just summing up that one. So that will give me, and I can compare that total unit sales based on the month, quarter and everything. Okay. Hope you like this video. Do subscribe to this channels and share it across with your friends for more learning and more understanding. And I will put the description to my playlist on this video. Do check it out. Lots of good scenarios related to Power Query, Power BI, okay, then DAX scenarios. Then I'm starting up another playlist, Power BI end to end. So there is 3 chapters right now. It is there, but this will be a continuation from Sunday to Sunday. Okay, all right. You do take care. Thank you.